Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I will be talking about the euro dollar once again. Okay, so if we're looking at the euro dollar, personally for me, I believe that the euro dollar can continue moving upwards. So I would like to see price actually tap into some daily demand zone over here, this daily level at 1.0638. Okay, I would like to see price reach that area. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we see that price is currently forming some kind of consolidation. Personally, for me, I believe price looks set to hit down lower. First things first, price really cleared liquidity from buy side liquidity on top, cleared a second time, okay, and also cleared a third time before starting to hit down. So we can actually see that price is starting to trend lower, okay. Price has been coming down, also reaching a break of structure at 1.06503. Hence, therefore, I believe that price can continue coming down. If we go down to the lower time frames, let's talk about the 1 minute charts. Okay, we can see some very nice shots coming in. Actually, we could have taken a shot over here. Stop loss just below, about 2 pips SL, and we see how price moves down. So that's an area that we can possibly look at. Another area that we could have actually taken some kind of shots is this specific area over here. So when price comes down to break out this structural level over here, we could actually take off a retracement, stop loss above. However, the stop loss is quite wide for this one at about 8 pips, okay, about 8 pips level. So we can take price to that area there, and we can wait for price to come down to clear 1.0638, or potentially come down further to clear multiple levels below. So that is an area that we will be looking at, guys. Okay, that would be an area for us to look at very, very patiently. So however, for me, I believe that the euro dollar can continue heading up. Okay, I believe we can look for some long positions in the euro dollar. Personally, I believe that the US will come out some negative news. Okay, and if you look at the DXY charts over here, we see the DXY has been very, very bullish. Okay, it has been bullish, and it is reaching this key level at 104.69 area. So that would be for the DXY charts. Okay, if we are looking at the DXY and thinking where price could potentially head to, so I believe that price can potentially come up to this specific area here, and there will be supply zones around this area for price to continue going down. So right on the hourly time frame, we can see a supply zone coming in over here, an hourly supply, an area that price can potentially tap into before heading lower. So we could see some kind of range, and then a break of structure before heading downwards. So that is an area that we will be looking at, guys. Okay, that will be an area we will be looking at. Okay, so that would be it from the DXY charts. And if we're looking at the 15 minutes time frame, okay, I see that bullish pressure has been coming in for the bulk of today, guys. The bulk of today have been strong bullish pressure since the London opening. And I believe that this strong bullish pressure will continue to persist. Okay, it will persist on to form newer highs, and it will, I feel like there's a potential, a strong probability it will actually break 104.73. And that means that the chart for the euro dollar will continue coming lower to my area at 1.0638, where I will then be looking for some possible shorting opportunities. Okay, so I would like to see a proper retracement of the euro dollar. Okay, I would like to see a proper retracement, a possible tap to this supply zone here as well. Okay, that area is an area that I will be looking out for very, very closely. Okay, guys, so I would like to spot out this area for any potential short positions, as I've mentioned. and we will be waiting to see how price reacts to certain levels on the higher time frame. Okay, yes sir. So that would be it for the euro dollar. Now if we were to move to the gold chart, okay, we see gold has actually trended down, very strong bearish momentum coming in onto gold, falling about 300 pips or close to 300 pips. Okay, and it actually reacted off this very specific supply zone over here, okay, before heading back down lower. So I believe that chart have actually potential to continue going down, and areas such as this area can be targeted. Okay, this specific area here seemingly looks to be able to clear out as well. So that will be an area that we will be looking out for, okay, for some potential buy zones as well over here. But at the meantime, I will be looking and waiting for price to come up for retracement before shorting the gold. So if we are looking at the euro dollar again once more, we see price starting to trend lower. Okay, price is definitely starting to trend lower. I believe, as I've mentioned, price can potentially continue heading down. However, I would like to see a retracement up first before taking any form of short entries in the market. Okay, I will be waiting very patiently. So that would be the analysis on the euro dollar and gold. Okay, before I end my live stream, let me talk about the DXY chart one last time. Okay, my forecast for the DXY would be that it can come up to clear this high here at 104.69, and it can also potentially come up to clear this supply zone right over here, okay, at 104.69 or 73. Okay, so that's an area that I would like to see price come possibly to clear before heading anywhere. Okay, so that would be it on the chart of the DXY. Okay, I believe price have potential to come up also to clear this trend line, this bearish trend line here as well. However, we will be watching very closely to see how price reacts to them. Okay, so that will be it for today's live stream, guys. So do take note that this week is NFP week and you have to stay vigilant in the market. All right, guys. So stay tuned again, and I will catch you guys on Thursday.